If you want a small SUV but occasionally need to carry 6 or more people, the 2023 Kia Sorento should be on your short list. The Sorento is one of the few small SUVs on the market to offer third-row seating. Sandwiched between the smaller 5-passenger Sportage and the larger 3-row Telluride, the Sorento is a right-sized option that can squeeze 7 passengers in a pinch. Like most other Kia models, the Sorento comes with standard features, including wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, lane keep assist and multiple USB charging ports. You might think that having 3 rows means you have to sacrifice comfort in the second, but the Sorento's middle bench is surprisingly roomy. Even the rearmost seats are comfortable enough for adults, although it can be difficult to get back there. The Sorento is available with 2 conventional engine options, a base 4-cylinder and an optional turbocharged 4-cylinder. The latter engine provides plenty of power and makes the Sorento one of the fastest SUVs in its class. In addition, Kia offers hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants of the Sorento. The Sorento's interior is another highlight. It uses high-quality materials and can be upgraded to luxury levels of comfort. We don't expect many changes for the 2023 Kia Sorento, but there are rumors that a new X Pro trim level could be on the way. It would be a more legitimate off-road edition than the X-Line package that debuted last year, which was really more of a cosmetic upgrade. The X Pro was first seen in the Kia Sportage, and if this is any indication, we expect the Sorento X Pro to get all-terrain tires, suspension tweaks, special off-road modes, and possibly a heated windshield and LED lights. Overall, we think the Sorento is a great choice for its blend of value and versatility. The optional turbocharged Sorento is downright quick for a small SUV. 0 accelerates to 100 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds, nearly 3 seconds faster than the same-sized Volkswagen Tiguan and even a tick faster than the V6-powered Honda Passport. Freeway merging and passing is no problem in the Sorento. The new 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is also impressive, with near-flawless shifting in slow-moving traffic or full throttle. Slowing down the Sorento can be done with confidence thanks to a beautifully balanced and intuitive brake pedal. Stopping at 60 miles per hour, the Sorento is a little nervous and brakes in just 121 feet, which is better than average for the class. The EPA estimates that the turbocharged all-wheel drive Sorento returns 24 miles per gallon combined, and we averaged 25.2 miles per gallon during our 115-mile mixed drive evaluation period. As an added bonus, the turbocharged Sorento doesn't require premium gasoline. The Sorento isn't as frugal as the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, but on our evaluation route it beat the MPG numbers we got for the equally powerful Honda Passport and Subaru Ascent. How comfortable is the Sorento? All 3 rows of seats provide better comfort than expected for a small SUV. The second-row captain's chairs are firmer than the bench seats found in other SUVs, but more comfortable and supportive. The third-row seats are small and low to the floor, but offer enough support for adults. Contrary to the small SUV classification, Sorento offers ample space for adults in all 3 rows. You'll even find more legroom than 2-row SUVs like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. All adults will have plenty of room. Even the third row is suitable for adults, although getting back there is a bit of a squeeze. Getting into the Sorento is otherwise an easy task. The Sorento carries many of Kia's user-friendly attributes, and buyers familiar with the brand will have no problem navigating the cabin. Visibility is also quite good, thanks to the large windows and good sight lines throughout the cabin. In addition, the surround view camera system provides high-definition images and proves useful in difficult situations. On the highway, the Sorento's ride is well controlled, giving a feeling of confidence and stability. The Sorento is equipped with a 10.25-inch touchscreen with navigation, an upgraded Bose audio system and a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel. The graphics are sharp and creative. The Bose audio system is a little less impressive. A merely average voice command system is the least impressive technology in the Sorento, lacking natural language recognition and flexibility. With 8 USB ports and a wireless charger, passengers won't run out of power for their devices. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone compatibility are standard, but wireless connectivity is not offered. The Sorento's advanced driver aids are impressive not only in their scope, but also in their application. No problems except false signals and overcautious rear cross-traffic alert. With the third row seats up, there's a total of 12.6 cubic feet of cargo capacity, which equates to about 5 grocery bags a row. Its closest competitor, the Volkswagen Tiguan, offers just 12 cubic inches, while the larger Subaru Ascent offers 17.8 cubic inches with the third row down. The Sorento offers between 38.5 and 45 cubic feet, depending on how far you slide the second row seats. That's more than the spacious Toyota RAV4 and the larger Honda Passport. With all the seats down, the Sorento holds 75.5 cubic feet, the same as the Honda CR-V. Interior storage is another Sorento strong suit. While it lacks the smarts of Honda's CR-V and Passport, all three rows have ample, well-thought-out storage options. Towing capacity is a fairly standard 3,500 pounds for this next-generation Sorento. The non-turbocharged Sorento can tow up to 2,000 pounds.